You are going to love the 2022 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, driver illuminated vanity mirror, wheel covers, front wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, steel wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.